Discover this classic 1974 MGB GT, a true gem for vintage car enthusiasts. This 1974 MGB GT has 13,192 miles. It's powered by a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring overdrive. The 1.8-liter inline-4 was factory rated at 97 horsepower and 104 pound-feet of torque. It features dual SU carburetors, an aluminum radiator and cold air intake have been added. The exterior is finished in teal blue, and the interior features an autumn leaf color scheme that exudes timeless charm. Equipment includes front disc brakes, 14-inch row-style wheels, rubber bumpers, and dual side mirrors. The front bucket seats and folding rear bench are upholstered in autumn leaf vinyl that extends to the door panels. The leather-wrapped steering wheel fronts Smith's instrumentation, which consists of a 120-mile-per-hour speedometer, a tachometer, and supplementary gauges featuring fuel levels, oil pressure, and coolant temperature. Appointments include a center console, a locking glove box, and passenger side map pocket, as well as a retro sound head unit. A British Motor Industry Heritage Trust Certificate and receipts accompany this car with the sale. This MGB is ready to hit the road. Ideal for weekend drives, car shows, or as a fun daily driver. Don't miss the chance to own this piece of automotive history. Contact LRA today at 215-781-3790 or email us sales@lrasales.com. That's 215-781-3790 or email sales@lrasales.com for more information.